Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I have been a naughty girl and I picked up a new mold. So we're gonna unbox that together. Now it's gonna look a little funny, but I think you'll understand it once it gets going. So comes with two pieces. So this is the main part, and it's a crescent moon candle holder. Okay, and then this part goes into here, I believe, somehow. Yes, is that in there all the way? I think it's in there all the way. Goes into there. So that way you can pour your resin in and it leaves the spot for the candle. Otherwise, it just fills the whole thing up. Now, you could fill the whole thing up, but I'm not sure what that would really look like. So, I'm going to place this right in here. And we are going to have a little starry night. So, sits like that. It feels good and sturdy. I don't think this is Let's Resin. No. Just a generic made in China one. Anyway, so trying to decide how I want to do this. Like what style I want to do. I do think I want to do a Galaxy Dirty Pour, which if you've been here before, I don't have any of the pieces with me right now that I've poured, but so I mix up different colors of resin and then pour them all into one cup and mix that up just a smidge and then pour it in there. Yeah, I think I want to do that. So it's going to be mostly blues and purples with just a teeny tiny hint of black. And then I guess I'll use this Resin glitter. This was a gift, but it's FC322 if you're looking for it. But it's this beautiful purplish green white glitter, and it's one of those very, very fine glitters too. So I think that'll be perfect for it. Yeah, so that's the plan. It's gonna be super easy. I will say one thing that kind of worries me is the demolding of this. It feels good and stretchy, but also like, how do you get it out from there? Because this part right in here, that's super hard. We'll see. We'll see how it works out. I'm gonna push this back into place and make sure it's good and secure. Yep. Yeah, that's in there good. Good and tight. I think so. Just trying to look in there. Yes. Okay. All right, I promise I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready now. All right, let's do this. All right? Hang tight. Let's get it started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. This is a Dollar Tree. I think it's an ice cube tray. Yeah. I just threw some extra resin in there. So, but it is still silicone, so like I said in my Dollar Tree video, you guys can use these for resin. Most of them are going to be a matte finish. But if you plan to put these into another thing of resin, like a tray or something, you know, these could be useful for stuff like that. Okay, I got 2 more. I actually don't mind them. Well, they're a little bit glossy. They're not completely matte. So yeah, very cute. That is today's bonus unmolding. Alright friends, should we see how it turned out? I can tell you that it did superheat just a little bit. There's a little bit of, I don't know, where it pulled away, I guess. So, I really am wondering if it's just this batch of resin that's doing that, because, like I said, never had that issue before. But, let's go ahead and see if we can't get this unmolded. Okay. Yeah. So this is coming off pretty easily. I don't want to rip the mold, you know. There we go. Alright, so let's get that back into its shape. Good. And then this is where you set the candle. There's a little bit of flashing around the edge. So we will just take that off real quick. Okay. The color's very pretty. What do you guys think? I guess I should have had a tea light down here prepared. That would have been a good idea. Okay. So yeah, so here is that bubble. God, I really do think it might be the resin this time. Because that's not even, like, that's not even a very thick section, you know? Obviously, there's a ton of micro bubbles around the top, even though I took my little stick and ran it through and tried to get all of those bubbles out. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, here is the piece. Very, very pretty. I don't see, look, you can see some of the pink that came through as well. I don't really see any of my black that I put in here, which could be a good or a bad thing depending on how you look at it. I did want a little bit of black, but yeah, so there it is. I'm going to grab a candle and then do the glamour shots. Anyway, yeah, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.